In this video, I will show you how to make moving animated arrows to enhance and highlight some of the more important aspects of your PowerPoint presentation. You want to start off by asking yourself what you want to highlight. You can use these arrows to highlight something important or as a gimmick. Using it as a gimmick can work either ways. First, you want to go to Insert in the ribbon and select the arrow in the Shapes tab. This will give you the default blue one. I start by customizing the arrow. I'm making my arrow red, but you should pick a color that looks good with your presentation. You can also add effects to your arrow. I can suggest using shadows or glows, but refrain from using reflection, soft edges or 3D rotation. Once you customized your arrow, you want to add animations to it. In this video, I'm making a pointing arrow with a smooth start and ending. I'm selecting my arrow by clicking on it and will add the lines animation to it by going to Animations in the ribbon. I then change the animation path my arrow should flow over. I then open the Animations pane and right click on the animation. I then click on Effect Options. Here you can change your desired time. You want to select Auto Reverse so it goes back and forth. After you selected Auto Reverse, you can go to Timing and make sure you change the repeat settings. For this video, I'm changing it to End of the Slide. And there you have it, an animated arrow in PowerPoint. I hope this video helped and I will see you next time.